How to add multiple photos to Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add multiple photos, there are two ways. Open up Instagram. The first is the layout way. So just go about creating a story and just tap on the camera icon over here. Here you have to select the option called layout. Once you choose the option called layout, just choose the layout that you would like to use. So if I just select 3 photos, I can choose the first photo first by tapping on the plus icon, selecting my photo, just cropping them manually, and by selecting the second photo as well, as you can see over here, and by also choosing the third photo manually. Now once I do that, I can just go ahead and resize it. The only downside is that I'll not be able to resize the position of each photos. Now there is also a second way to add multiple pictures. For that, first we will just convert this into a background. So it could be any of the generic image. Just choose a background. I'll just go ahead and then create a new story and then tap on the camera icon, just take a picture over here. I'll convert this to a background color by tapping on the draw tool and just choosing a color from a background, and then long pressing on this background, it will be turned to a background color. Now we will add multiple pictures to this background by tapping on the sticker icon from the very top, going to the plus icon, which is basically a photo sticker. Now you can just choose the photos you want to add. You can also just resize it if you want to. Now once you resize it, just send it to a position you want to add this to add other photo, just repeat the same process, tapping on the sticker icon and then just selecting another photo that you want to add to. Now you can go ahead and then resize this manually as well. You can also add many more by repeating the same process, tapping on the plus icon and going to the stickers that you want to use. If you tap on it once, you can actually also change the sizes. And that's all it takes to add multiple pictures to your Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.